when we ground it and as they get to working, we're gonna come back out here and help Chad. He's on this tap here. He's got a neutral down at this point. Okay. So we're gonna help him do that. So, other than that, we're gonna be able to get into a driveway too, and this lady's driving back. You just have to look. There's a really low service drop, so if you are able to pull that truck in there, just tag it up, drive under it, take everything real slow, watch everything for any kind of hazards on the ground. Okay. So.